Industry project with DJ Mike Smith, DJ Lord, and DJ Mpese. Let me start this session with Mike Smith. Mike Smith, what do you guys do to help in promoting songs?
Well, I always wake up to a bunch of emails, songs from artists. They may say, "Me what days are tenacity."
In fact, which day is that so that I know when to send?
Well, it can be any day. Me free.
Okay, that
just sometimes so I wake up. Me that be brave. So sometimes me down me near 1 a.m., 2 a.m. So that's the time I actually go through songs in my email. It say me tie onyom no na say me pe na hear me there. I'll just pick it up and do what I have to do for you.
I see. How do you guys do it? Because people think that in Ghana, if you want to get your songs promoted well, there are some selected DJs that you have to make sure your songs get to them. So I send you my email. I send you my song through your email. When you get it, how do you guys do it? The practical things you do in promoting that song I've sent to you.
Well, I'm say we say Bibia to say ohia bibia or there was a okone ho.
Yeah.
Obia opese o to nsuo a unim say obia o plug bi o okone. So aso na nyuma o promote a unim the right people to go to promote the music. And DJ bia no betimi promote onyum. You know some DJs be more impact. DJs be more shows or more prime time shows. You understand? Those people can actually help your song. Like nti me found nyum now. Enyum ne me da. And also it depends on you the artist. Obi wo email no send them me in see wo you have to follow up. You have to follow up and let me know that your mail is in my inbox. I should check it out and then try and help you promote it. But say send him na say da. Boss like you me you me be am born one, but the constant reminder will keep me on my will keep mama more amount. But yes, and I can also share it with my other colleagues as well. Say, oh, this song is nice. Please, let's help him. What you say? Yeah. So that's my own way of doing it.
Okay. So in doing that, does it come with a fee?
No, I don't charge. I don't charge for music promotion. So Phyllis said they may on a opera, then come to me and do something for me.
Why don't you charge?
Because I don't see it to be mean to me catch maybe as all the kind young pabi as me. Mean to me catch young pabi so in for me to promote his songs or his music. You understand? That's how come I bibia no fiti ase any thing. You know, inti say me boa sa time na unisika no me boa e promote unyum na blow na ko drew baby na face say what you want you do to me is to disrespect me and then we'll have a problem. Because obano man sika me promote you hoping say one day will be ya ma na e bia me so me ho kire me abeboa me. That's it.
Now, as a DJ, at what time can you hit your chest to say this song is now a big song or a hit song? At what point in the song's life cycle can you say this song is now a big song?
Me, I usually use concerts. Concerts, crowd, massive crowd. Now dropping the reaction. She will say, okay, so anyway, blow. Yeah. And you wait me about radio, so microphone text still. Wait me about what baby I wait me or come. But until so be reaction now open outside no and yeah hit.
And the fun is you continuously play one song on radio every day.
Yeah.
Everyone listens to it.
Yeah.
When you go out there and you play it and don't get that reaction, to you the song is not a hit.
Yes. There are several ways of killing a cat. There are a lot of ways to promote music. You don't just promote music on radio. Streets no ho. TV wo ho. You know that's how come we have mobile DJs, we have radio DJs, we have club DJs. In in fact just encore radio. So it depends on the song too. The kind of song you're promoting. Inti say like ukra ebia club song. You can promote it on radio, in the clubs and on the streets. Because streets is very important.
Yeah.
Most of these songs, you do a bit me blow among some people. But say streets now accept here. Nah.
What is the definition of the street? They be no promotion of street. Street is saying what is the definition of the street?
The streets to me is like the masses. If you ask me, it's like the masses. It's like doing music. They are your bougie for no. They were masses. Your Apple Music, no mutiti or moka money again. What I say? You were almost transport TV. No more no muti and no street level no.
Tiaka street promotion. I fancy pubs now be
those small pubs. Yes, I'm getting a walk corner. No.
Now, Mike Smith, the number of pubs are one on Cran Cromway. Every 100 meters be a pub.
Well, that's what I said. I said earlier on. Say, and you know, so unya DJs send music to their friends as well.
Okay.
What you say? If you are Lord, I continue to do some corner be. No, I tell you, well, who's Crawford jam it to Daniel? No, or bet me about more Charlie. I hear this song for town. It debut the way people they jam to am no. Na me sumeti. If you are me sumeko baby na makoti. What you say? Sa na eko na spread, but na boom.
Na fa.
Yeah,
I see. Lord, how do you guys promote songs? Maybe I want to promote a song and I'm looking for DJs. I give it to DJ Lord. How do you guys do it to promote the song for me?
It depends on the song.
Okay.
It depends on the song. Some artists can send me a song, and I tell them, I'll be real with you. I'll be like, yo, this song, if I enter streets, this song, it be radio song. You know, be song you go blow for streets. Do you get it? Yeah. So that's what me.
So some songs can only be played on radio.
On radio, yeah.
And they won't be big on the streets.
There's no way you can play that song on the streets for like people to vibe with it. Yeah, it'll be a source. Street need there. The song must be like hard. If it be hard song, even though there was songs be honoma, be a bit soft, but a bit penetrating. What you say? And some of the songs also, what the artists don't understand is some of the songs a blow for. In you be radio, a blow or street dancer. About radio.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of the songs a blow or street dancer. About radio. This is honoma. Constant play on radio.
And
I can give you an example. This song, Be for Bona. Dear God, that song started on radio. Had massive airplay. We were playing it at other radio stations.
God make our blow. That's all.
Yeah. Lord make our blow. Yeah, yeah. And I can boldly say I'm one of the DJs
who started on radio.
Yes, who really promoted that song. Yeah. So that. So that song, for example, I would say came from the radio
and then got into the streets. Yeah. I see.
So
do you also do it for a fee? So if I give my song to DJ Lord, how much do I have to add?
Me, I charge.
You charge?
Yeah, I charge.
Okay.
I charge because free. No, I charge because trust me, if DJ Sticker, let's say I'm not, God forbid, if let's say today he is not on radio anymore, none of those artists will hit him up.
Fact. That one is it's a fact.
Yeah. Never. Fact. They will never hit him up.
Fact.
They will not mind him.
Fact.
So you need to charge because artists not blow our own feel. Yeah, I don't want to go there, but
you have some examples. You have some examples to say.
No. You know, I don't mention names.
No. Yeah. It's not about names. Like, what is the scenario you want to say?
Yeah, the thing is, artists, if they want you to play their song, see, the humble, yeah, and you play their songs, and small bass pen then they feel they're on top. Do you get it? And we DJs, see, to be frank, DJs and yet DJs are the artists. They are without the DJs, the artists no munyo. And me, now I'm not on radio. And trust me, those times I'm on for a release song, they will hit you up. And you see, and that's why I keep some people very close. I still cherish those people because even though I'm not on radio at the moment, when they release a song, they will still hit you up. Not because they know I play at certain pubs. I still work with I work with Luna Rooftop and Oliver Twist Shack. Okay. Some people don't even know I work there.
Oh, that man probably joined.
Yes, please.
So that place the B, huh?
Yeah, the B. Some people don't even know I work there, but they'll still hit you up because they know, oh, DJ Lord, at least I can share their music. I know if I hit Mike Smith up today, say Mike Smith, oh, shall I have this my guy song? I want you to promote a song on radio for me. Mike Smith will not say, Lord, bring 2,000 Ghana cedis or something before I promote. I also know because it's a good song. I know it's a good song
before you would even propose. Yeah.
So that's what happens. But most of these.
So how much do you charge?
Oh, I can't mention that.
Money I can't mention.
I can't mention that. No, but sometimes.
So you charge with duration. Like for instance, I'm going to do this for a month. Pay me this X amount of money, or you just charge once and for all. How do you do it?
Oh, I charge. Per month.
You charge per month.
Some people can also say, okay, what if I want to do 2 weeks? I'll be like, okay, cool. We can still do 2 weeks. But you see, the thing is, if I start promoting your song, sometimes you fall in love with a song. You fall in love with a song, and you know how I fall in love with, playing that song is different. The way you play the song is different. I don't know. It's so natural. The way you play the song is very different. You say, me, that particular song I'm talking about, Lord Make Her Blow, and because I'm called Lord, they'll be like, hey, Lord, if they see, Lord Make Her Blow. It got to a point. Everybody was,
Okay.
So, and even Magnum's song, My Baby, Midibel Boom. If I start playing, those times I was working with some presenters, they'll be like, hey, they can't play the song. And the way I play the song, you realize, no. You feel like if you go and you say like will be but I just love the song and the way I play it, you realize hey, guy.
So let me give you the chance to blow your trumpet. How many songs can you hit your chest to say me and you will make a hit?
1 million.
And a plane.
No, mention some of them. Let me see.
And you do so much.
Me pesa obobi na me hwese ampa.
Oh, even Mike Smith company this song. Yanko. Yanko and Olele. Yanko Olele
Okahona mane
Dear God.
Someone is also telling me, a boy next door who works with us here at Zylofon FM is saying, DJ Lord is telling the truth. Live FM actually blew these two songs, Grind Day by Kwesiata.
Kwesiata, sorry. Kwesiata. Kwesiata. I know those people, they all know. And I still, talk to them. We are still,
Okay. Mami come person, I mean, some person. Say, it's a CRD account promotion. Ruben, I will play in making a song a big song.
They I'm a cultural artist, Me sorry, me email. They be emails like bunch of songs. But I'm a cultural. Me new radio. Oshe me now cultural me say what's her name? Onyum na me promoting my work. Me nim baby I'm a promote. I only play hits. And what the I'm a cultural. Oh yeah, because me new radio. Say me here juma o radio meaning say brasa me o wedding o be banana me bo nyuma unte da. How will you feel? Nti de bia me catch room promo there me oba me nja wa boka because meaning baby me announce pub we drew pub say o ka say me fan start here e bia de be warm up me da ye de be warm up amount but one go blow nyuma no pa wo radio stations announce street onom amadia ene waboka me side the promo there
to the onye promo
at all
obo hit songs
me bo hit songs
until a banner promo line there the unya churches be free
promo there me pesa me ko hompo
so ba kasa na o chinchin bole bamboy hanaka wo nwum bi na de bia fanse tama wabo Mike Smith there ba ko Shatawale ba ko Kwame Eugene ba na ka de new one be famu a
oh yeah, they will stop that.
And you're monche. Personally, that's what I tell my DJs, that if you want people to still listen to you whilst you are promoting songs, don't play that new one for far too long. So whilst you are playing the Kwame Eugenes, the Kiddies, 1 minute to be now where you back be promoting. No one's not yet in the Shatawale. I tell them yes. I tell them that no, because when I'm also listening to them and they play some songs that like I don't know, though it is my station. But I'm tempted to tune off.
What was that? But what was that street? So I'm gonna need time for that too. Street na yeshi. Young fan say be I'm well enti omo the enya afa na omo ba betwen say oh wabonyu obi wo hono ma obonyu na ti say send America no okopa ba. Obi to me dey aye warm up. And they all select hits na kakra ni we na odi aye warm up. Enti obi wo hono ma oti hono ma oti enyum enyum we ye me de. No Shazami. Sometimes so up and coming. Promo nye only going on radio and other stuff. Like put your songs on Apple Music, Spot baby.
Sharing your links and all
online. Put your songs out there. Send a bear. Me want Ghana be nyumbi one ma. Me depa. But when you switch on your Shazam, it doesn't recognize. So now also I find a way. Ajibia. You are eager to get the song until you recording now. They are sending you fellow DJ bin we say Charlie this song you get them. Okase de bi dia na waboka.
I see. Pese adwuma mu ye etuamo mo betimi de abobra awo ahwe mo yire ne moma as a DJ in Ghana.
In Ghana it will be very difficult, but people are making it. But they are here. People are making it. Like, I mean,
people are making it as DJs. But they are here.
I was monitoring the
conversation.
Mike Smith can be or say Brandon. Yes. Or Brandon here, but Brandon winning lengths. When you are Brandon, you still have to, follow people, go to places and meet other people. Links and I say, oh sorry now so with the media me Brandon was atare o de be atare na Brandon Brandon doesn't go only on Watari Shemufa like side on.
Yeah.
Brandon is a whole lot of like meeting people and sometimes up and coming DJs and Kasano when I was say they should focus on craft they brand more than knowing that, like knowing what to do. So, meaning one or two, but playing yet, and so shantare fines in Ubia. And no, it doesn't tally anything for you. And you're out. Yeah, so said I make a brand and idea, and we had to say, me boss Mike Smith take but and yet,
okay. Lord, Ajumano Etiamo, Mubet with Abobra.
Oh yeah.
It's even say okay, my maybe way. Also Yajuma Oliver Twist.
Yeah.
Oh, the monthly payroll so abosumi be etiaka.
So maybe a tiameka.
Oh, okay. And I almost allow my alcohol bobo other gigs.
Other gigs, yeah.
And you are not the only DJ there, I guess.
Yeah, we have about 3 DJs.
I see. Munamo da payroll so a pub ni chamuka every month.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then I feel the DJing is really paying. Just in it's the branding. Branding in there number one. But once our old branding is now we'll practice it because to me and yes brandy all right. You get to the program now people are expecting that okay Charlie come and give us a good vibe. They kill the vibe like it doesn't. It's like from there whoever supposed me what I do is. What happens is, minya gig or gig nasi. Because of my performance.
Okay.
Minya gig or gig nasi. Anybody who knows me knows we always get gig. And I say,
gigs from the gigs.
Yeah. Someone, Charlie, my friend just called me or say, pay the way I will say honor. So, I some be born wedding my meeting. I've been told, yes, Anna, Charlie, home price now. Like, as in see inside for I'm small.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
So that's what happens. I mean, it's DJing throughout. And one media, yeah, me and I be told me car, me de renting me dime, me be
so you have a car, right?
Yes, please.
Which type of car?
No, for now I'm not driving.
Okay, I understand. All right, so DJ Mesa is bringing you guys. He's sending his regards to you. Shout outs to you, DJ Mesa. He's also one of the toppest and the topmost DJs we have in our system. He says, salute. Thanks for touching on this topic and thanks for putting the DJs on. And he salutes all the soldiers in there. Good morning to you, DJ Mesa. Okay, so Mike Smith, same way I'm asking, is the profession paying?
Like I said, everything I have today is because of DJing. I mean, it depends on how you position yourself. You have to if you position yourself well, you make money. Yeah.
Okay, let me invite my panel members here. I still have some 1 or 2 questions I'll put through before we close. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, this is called the Industry Project, and what we do on the Industry Project is we call the people, the professionals, into the studio to talk about their area. Today we are doing it for the DJs, and we have DJ Mike Smith here, we have DJ Lord and DJ Impese, and all the other DJs are also monitoring from their spaces. DJ Mesa, shout out to you once again. Yes, Sammy Rasta, question to them, contribution to the discussion so far. Na yentuaso, aka questions be 3B. Na me person be so about gadgets. Person share hono, ebi mo gadgets ana ebi ehu. Ebi so de no bonnet pa. Still not more.
Thank you very much for this initiative and the Debbie can say more modern to get DJs and many the discussion and I think say if you're an upcoming DJ now you need to pick some lessons from whatever
key lessons shared here, key lessons shared here today.
But mestre DJs form one say at least you'll be expecting people to hit you on your friends say through your emails, but I think for the love of the industry, sometimes you also have to do some kind of research to know some of the talent back out. You think say be a little touch a manner
a bit me
I think it will help us. Say there are some of the talent they don't have your links. But they are doing very well, and I think if you take your time to see, so I'm searching through the social media and the system to see those upcoming ones who are doing very well, so that you can also help. It helps to broaden the industry. That is the little
nice one. And DJ Sale, good morning to you. DJ Sale also sent his regards to you guys here in the studio. Thank you. Who is here? He says, I'm enjoying the conversation. Interesting conversation in there. Thank you. Yes, Roland Amati.
Let me use this opportunity to also say a big shout out to DJ Sid.
Yes, DJ Sid.
I am very humbled to be in the midst of all these big men because yes, we meet them every day.
You do events, so obviously you'll be meeting them.
DJ, what's up? DJ
Obi great to be catch boy. DJ boy
and there's one question that I'm dying to ask them, like the feeling whenever artists go, like saying a lot kind. Some artists come omo perform the way a crowd na on person of a free stage so. How do they do that? Because and one thing that also puts people off about DJs, bush ne
DJ stick eye back here DJ stick eye back DJ stick I want it now can there to
some of these things put DJ, like how do they handle some of these things? How do they do it?
We are see one uni bibi ya eto me apese oye na ebro so what you say uni bibi ya na say oye guy wo mu a sometimes they say we blow horn na we keche what you say no so nyina aka ho enye say bia wo ye too no but nyina aka adwuma no ho because me ba na wo fo me di Mike Smith me nipa me tim betimi ai me de
for sure something
what you say me so me ba me so me chere say me fast now ma me pese be kokwa this me chere bibi kakra what you say no
and also you see the industry departments in most of them have united fronts like the music. Now we have the DJs. How united are they? Because we know back then they were very scattered. Now we have the Ghana DJ Awards, which is trying to hold them down. How united are they as at now?
See, the unity there, me, I'll say it.
Okay.
It's like, I say, click.
At the end of our boss was that.
Fact, I'm not gonna lie. You can hate me for that. I'm not gonna lie about it. Click. This click feel say okay, yeah, guy, me guys we guy. We also feel say me guys say guy. Come on, let's come together to even do this is a problem.
But you guys wanted to form an association or something?
Bro, we've tried this for like so many years. So it doesn't work. It doesn't work. And Charlie, I see unity is strength. If we all come together, we can do bigger things.
There's a group in the group.
Even if we have a group, a DJ's group, there's another group in the group.
Yeah,
and see, BBC Sisiana, Yabeka, Ebia, DJ Way, Nasisia, or Tiswa, Ninkro for no beba. I say, yeah, now we do Nimshi, when it is, instead say, you be encourage you. Yeah, dear, but at the end of the day, there will be Dikan Jabi.
Yeah.
What you say, Obi we nim na, I don't just say, watching our soon to me back. What you say, but a bit money, yes, say, okay, me on this side. Inti, and one, I'm Inti, ama a ding, say, me. Mr. Ba, me. I don't mingle. No, I don't mingle. I'm fact like I don't mingle. Me in Kobe be me in Crawford be in Bonko. Mama say me share me home. That's how I like it because come on, let's come together to do this is a problem. So what do you want me to come and do? Me brown chain I'm in bedding.
Mr. Shaq said asema okay. It is the truth and the fact.
Exactly.
I say no unity among DJs.
No
unity, no.
Sammy, yeah, DJs, yeah, nyom. Yeah, cry na yeah, nyom kra no. Your colleagues need be go or you two no member.
Oh, abonyum na.
Oh, DJ na why no say unia DJ or support you no. Because onye. Onye so
especially with your jingle
in the music. Onye. They be a catcher boys. I don't know. I speak to some
train. Say artist be ebonyum na or the DJ be the jingle too.
No. So DJ na onyum na why na all dropping. Say they me dropping jama me dropping.
Yeah.
Say dropping you, Lord are dropping you. Among ourselves, some of them won't even try to play the song.
Nana already come through, and let me say that almost all the DJs in town are listening to us. DJ Spliff, good morning to you. Hope you are good. And Ken Nanado of Media General, TV3 Music, and 3FM. Ken Nanado, he says, I love this topic, and I love the DJs in there. Ken, I know he does event more. Good morning to you, Ken, and to all the rest of the DJs following us, DJ Misty and the rest of the guys. Yes, Nana already question contribution to them.
So I'm very happy that you brought the DJs here.
Mm-hmm.
I feel that some of the DJs, the way they work with we promoters, events organizers, and talent agents is so bad. Some of them are doing good. I've been able to work with Mike Smith. We've worked for a very long time as his publicist, as his agent. Lord say was saving me 4 times. 4 shows am I Lord have been saving me. Lord means oh. The chick party now, and the crowd okay, chick party or how do you kind of say cantonment more baby. CVF, yeah, CVF, nice. So not almost gone. Anna Lord be CVF. Yeah, me Nana I run a small company that does talent agency and promotions for artists. I can say on authority say yeah you need I'm more than apart from person. I mean will be a juma. Kakra my game man be biagda ono ka don't mean busame because I say meba because me no but Lord say me na ejuma Lord say e be an referee but one of the people who also supported us for the Kofi Jamal project was Lord actually like live
Koso.
No, not a Koso.
Oh Kofi, yeah we dey happening as for in
the city.
Okay.
From in the city to midday up to the EP to the day up remix with Stone. And let me say shout outs to Master J of Star FM.
Okay.
Master J. Like Live FM was a big holder, was holding us down big time. But some of them too, some promoters, you better we are so akokoshia client, artist manager. And then a kasa conversation and say any promotion my man plan, your man BBI, your man budget. Now wama say okay, munje budget no mo fam DJs no. Sami can you believe that you pay a DJ and the DJ will not play the song? My experience be almost several times. That's why some time ago now, some of the DJs came out to the artists known to me in Grammy and I got mad and I did a live video. Because I have paid DJs over thousands and 2,000s in Ghana. Now, and you know, one then clients general phone so every day. What the Misika? Misha DJ way or so money Sikano. I'm telling you. And some of them you pay them, they meet the artist. Hey, now you give Nanaya money, so make you give me, you give them 500 Ghana, make you give me. Then the person could talk say, no, I give them maybe 3,000. Oh, I know for mommy. Then you what promoter now? What by a bad person? Then the DJ forgets that it is him times 10 DJs in the promotional list. But clients only had 3,000 Ghana cedi. So what's that? What you know? What's that? Not on one for which me be omo da me. For which now on one send a clients no message. Say from today going if you want to do promotion, send to me. You understand what I'm trying to say? If they want us to all work together as promoters, we all work together because some of us we do events. The senior events, like I said, Lord save me. Lord, I used to be booking it through DC Lakers. My friend is saying, what's his name? Yeah, Jojo. Every time. I have DJs that I work with for my events because I've tried to book other DJs for my events. they will take my booking time and everything. They will not show up. They will do flights. They will not show up. May I so be? I think World Cup time, Mike, a friend say, "Yo, put me on." Sprinters, Ghana versus Brazil. So then, I didn't even call him and say, "Oh, Charlie Brown, yeah, sure, put me on. I'll come. We'll come play." I feel that if all the DJs are listening, shout out to Shaq, Mr. Shaq too. If I give him job, if I give him job,
very positive guy.
Yeah, very on time delivery there. Me and Shaq, shout out to Fletch as well. DJ Fletch.
He's honest and loyal too.
Yes. Some of them and I know I'm not the only promoter or agent or chromacy or casa same way. You will pay a DJ some amount of money to play the song. Not what friend say, oh, open a show. Client wants proof of airplay. Some of them, do you know what they do, Sammy? I will feel. Now I set it up. I'm not say anymore. I will feel. Now I set it up. Now I bought you. Now I bought. Someone jingle no for lapin so.
Yeah.
Into I bought a bia. But you see, me, I have a data. I work with a company that tracks music. So if I give you a job and you play the song, I can tell you the time, the seconds, and the minutes you play the particular song. And all my artists that I work with, from Kofi Jamal, all they all tell you, me I pull data. So if you come to me and say, oh, your promotion will go well, I'll go pull data and give it to you. This what I do. Listen, DJs are very important in our space. We respect them. Now, DJs value, I think, is coming up because it's here now, like they're saying, Brandon and Bemina are the idea. Let's all work together. They should be able to find a middle point of delivering on their side of the promise. Like, for instance, a promoter calls you for a promotion. You meet the client. You and the client don't get business. If you and the promoter get the business. Some of them go meet clients, then go spoil you bastards. I mean, if you hear what some they talk about, we promoters, you don't even want to go into promotion. That's how come a lot of people are shying away from artist promotion now. Because you will go and convince a client, take small budgets, spread so you can also get to pay some school fees. If they can't do the union, it's not a problem. They should find the bad nuts and then talk to them. Because women almost say the bigger picture.
The bigger profession.
What am I saying? See, I remember you be a second mayor with DJs. Manji, Ejumano.
Because I'm good.
Yeah, because if you are make a crap about a bow. But see, I'm manje. So if you are into me, I'm out. Or be say, oh, so okay. I'm back. So on what am I saying? They should let us all work together.
Thank you so much. DJ Paco Rich is also saying Mike Smith just spoke my mind. Thank you. Now, Mike Smith, let's talk about gadgets. Are you guys working with the modern gadgets we have in the world?
My gadgets are always updated. Yeah. Because me family money in India grow. Into me person me ko baby me machine be ko go many masi. So I always buy the latest gadgets
and softwares.
Yeah, softwares. Yeah.
I see. Lord, how about you in your case? Talking about modern gadgets and softwares for your profession.
I'm sick of it doing and the gadgets I have.
I love that.
And the gadgets I have. It's not even bad at all. Okay. Yeah, Mike Smith have been able to even sort me out.
Oh, wow!
Some of those things.
Wow.
Yeah. So at least gadget I
so we now the Apple ne boss.
Oh yeah.
It's the best actually.
They say I don't DJ now on the Apple. There is a while.
And no, my Juman here easy.
Apple no can level some.
And no can level some.
Massage.
How about you in terms of gadgets?
Gadgets. Ghana DJs there. Omuni say me pay gadgets. Because of the kind of things I do, like I mean, I do videos on me routines on Facebook and so more times gadgets there, updated ones in there.
Okay.
Gadgets in the DSC. I talk gadgets they be at 20,000. I mean,
wow.
Yeah.
Players now more bono. They more there kocho. They be at 20,000 cities.
Oh yeah, I mean,
I mean, this year.
Na sa set ni si ha no ni bo.
Eno na mo an toy.
Gadgets what them papa.
Wow.
Menka more times obi won no be ka say me wo group bi mu. Na senior DJs can things about gadgets like I mean when you have your 10 like we a DJ, not only about the DJ side. When you do something, invest in your craft. They don't know
that's true. That's
the
true.
only thing say okay, I'll be a DJ. Me call gig na me nya musica. I'll go and buy different or invest in different thing. Obi na top DJ be or basho na gadget crown. Obi to make us say, Charlie, you know go fi hire me your player maker. No, like I mean, ain't gadgets there. Me papa, I know this.
So see DJ Messi. This is last year. Auto MacBook man. This is an auto man.
DJ Mensa. I had to say DJ Mensa. David, last one. I time as soon. Lady B of Facebook. She's watching us from London. A friend Eva Kana Odi. I say, Brass, I may ask them. Why do DJs love women like that?
Hey, women lovers. Women lovers.
It comes with the job.
Yeah,
women
love
lovers.
us.
Oh, Mike Smith. More answer question. You're suddenly a momo pen massa.
And yeah, pemba as in what? You see, let me tell you something.
Your time has to show.
See, the biggest or the most loyal fan base you can ever get as a media person are women. Trust me. Women spread your name easily.
Yeah.
They talk about you everywhere they go. Waba party biya ma wama neni aje. Obeka wasem sa baby obeku biya obeka wasem. Yes. Me, I prefer to have female friends. Yeah, it doesn't mean that I'm doing something with them. It doesn't mean that I'm doing something with them. My biggest events are Mabo, and I say the highest events are like the Sika Menya or my career or Bane de Mami.
How much was that?
It was $10,000.
Wow, for a gig?
Yeah, for a gig.
Hey, Mike Smith.
It was $10,000. It was a Mo Ibrahim concert on Ghana Independence Square. I was a DJ.
Okay. I remember that concert.
Yes.
The Mo Ibrahim concert at the Independence. And the grandma function that massa.
Yeah. Yeah, by a G do. You know, some of these times I say, brand yourself well. Make sure you are good at what you do. That's it, and it will come to you. All these things will come, and invest in it.
I see, Lord. Emma Sam net is saying, I feel quite obedient. Drinking and smoking now. Daniel Misa. As the DJs love smoking and drinking whilst they are playing. And no motivation.
Paying 10,000, 20,000 crowd.
Actually, console na on your fire, unya feel anymore.
Like you don't have to be abnormally fine.
You have to be normally fine.
OPK level, no. OPK level, na uhuze na manfo ni jina na. Then you give to them.
I see, but
sometimes it depends on the mood.
Na Emma Sam swear, Emma Sam swear.
Me kase o kase DJ.
Quick.
Eya me ehime be be happen ma.
Ajeme.
But to say me braka you know. A man and a man gigs no. More times me ta dey my status pa. Omo ye customers. So what you say? Enti say omo trimu ye omo dekra. Enti omo na eja na egugu.
DJ be a friend young Sam or say me bi o girl be pan hye ne pa.
Me nyi obi aga. Okay.